Instructions on importing an NFT token to a trading platform. Hello dear users of the Relictum Innovation Ecosystem. In this video, we will show you how to import an NFT token to the marketplace on the Relictum Pro blockchain. To import, in other words, to send an NFT token to Relictum NFT market, either log in or register if you do not have an account. If you have previously registered on the Relictum Lab website, you can enter using your data from there. Enter your username and password, confirm CAPTCHA, and click Next. In the personal account on the main page, click Add NFT. Enter your wallet number. See how to find out your wallet number in the description under this video. Select the NFT token to be placed on the marketplace. Pick it and click Next. Select section for placement. There are 3 of them. Relictum Premium. This section containing rare and promising NFT tokens. All the most interesting offers are collected here. Relictum World is a marketplace for everyone. Music, 3D graphics, paintings and other formats. Choose any token on NFT World. Relictum Design is a section of NFT tokens from the world's leading architects and designers. Select the sales method. There are 2 possible options. Fixed price. This is an opportunity to sell your token at the price you specified. Or auction is an opportunity to put your token up for auction, where the price of the token will be determined by the market. Let's consider both options in turn. Fixed price. Enter the price of the token. Choose a category: news, art, music, memes, cards, collectible, sports, useful. Submitting for moderation. After submitting for moderation, go to the Relictum node. In the NFT section, go to the On the Marketplace tab and confirm the request to transfer the rights to sell tokens. Auction. Select the period of the auction: 1 day, 3 days, 1 week, 1 month, 6 months, 1 year. Select a stop price. This parameter is optional. Stop price is the value upon reaching which the auction is closed. That is, if the bid of the participant is greater than or equal to the stop price, the auction will end. Send it for moderation. After submitting for moderation, go to the Relictum node. In the NFT section, go to the On the Marketplace tab and confirm the request to transfer the rights to sell tokens. Congratulations! Tokens have been successfully uploaded to the marketplace. After successfully passing the moderation procedure, your tokens will be placed for sale.